Welcome to Quiz Academy. Today's challenge features 25 amazing general knowledge questions. How many can you answer correctly? Let's begin. Which country has the world's longest coastline? The correct answer is Canada. Canada's coastline stretches over 202,000 kilometers, making it the longest in the world. Which capital city lies on two continents? The correct answer is Istanbul. Which country has the most islands in the world? The correct answer is Sweden. Sweden has over 260,000 islands, but only a small number of them are inhabited. Which country is completely surrounded by South Africa? The correct answer is Lesotho. Which country has the most active volcanoes? The correct answer is Indonesia. Indonesia sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, home to more active volcanoes than any other country. Which is the largest hot desert in the world? The correct answer is the Sahara. Which sea has no coastline? The correct answer is the Sargasso Sea. The Sargasso Sea is surrounded entirely by ocean currents instead of land. Which country has more natural lakes than the rest of the world combined? The correct answer is Canada. Which is the deepest lake in the world? The correct answer is Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal holds about 20% of Earth's unfrozen fresh water, more than any other lake. Which U.S. state has the longest coastline? The correct answer is Alaska. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? The correct answer is Iceland. Iceland is one of the few countries where glaciers and active volcanoes exist side by side. Which waterfall is the tallest in the world? The correct answer is Angel Falls. Which country has the most pyramids? The correct answer is Sudan. Sudan has more pyramids than Egypt, but most travelers have never heard about them. Which ocean is the smallest? The correct answer is the Arctic Ocean. Which continent has no permanent residents? The correct answer is Antarctica. Antarctica is the driest continent on Earth, even though it is covered with ice. Which country has the world's highest capital city? The correct answer is Bolivia. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? The correct answer is the Ural Mountains. Which country has the world's largest cave? The correct answer is Vietnam. Sun Dune Cave is so enormous that it contains a river, a jungle, and its own weather system. Which river flows through the Grand Canyon? The correct answer is the Colorado River. Which country has no permanent rivers? The correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has no permanent rivers and depends heavily on underground water supplies. Which country has the most time zones? The correct answer is France. France has 12 time zones because its overseas territories are spread across the world. Which country has the largest coral reef system? The correct answer is Australia. Which country is home to the world's highest navigable lake? The correct answer is Peru. Lake Titicaca is the world's highest navigable lake and lies between Peru and Bolivia. Which European country has the most castles? The correct answer is Germany. Germany is home to more than 20,000 castles, many dating back hundreds of years. Which country is home to the Atacama Desert? The correct answer is Chile. Some weather stations in Chile's Atacama Desert have recorded years without measurable rainfall. How many questions did you answer correctly? Share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Quiz Academy for more exciting challenges. Thanks for watching. See you in the next quiz.